Hello, check, check. May I please your lordships? Yes, my lord. I'm an MSME. My lord, related to the protection or the notification dated 29/5/2015. Writ petition was admitted. Where the respondent bank was given 3 weeks time to file a reply. And my lord, now, thereafter, my lord, the 2-3 auctions came to be conducted. Then, my office.
2024 order.
Yes.
2024 order you are challenging now.
No, my lord.
2024 order, you
Yes.
did not get an interim order.
Yes.
They have directed that everything will be subject to further action. That order continued.
No, my lord, no.
4 times auctions were held.
No, my lord, the notices were never served on me because my premises were taken possession, my lord. The notices were pasted. Even now, I came to know from third parties that a newspaper report has been published in newspaper. Then I tried to get the copy of that newspaper. When I drafted also, we couldn't get it. So it was published in 10th of April. These are published in, not very newspaper with a lot of circulation. And we tried it.
Mr. Nadumpara, what happened is that
Yes.
After that, we have seen the facts. 4 times auctions were held. They may not have been successful. 10th of April was the auction notice. You went to 30th of April.
No,
and in the meanwhile,
never
High Court anyway,
no. Now the notice was. Give me 1 minute, my
High
lord.
Court anyway
My lord.
has ensured that it made observations saying that.
No, my lord. The all
is
issue is
subject to outcome.
all issue is, my lord. Third party rights will be created.
Doesn't matter. We'll set it aside.
No, my lord.
We'll set them
No, my
aside.
lord, I would do one thing, my lord. Allow me to withdraw the petition. I'll go to the civil court. I have there. There is no discretion. Matters are said, my lord. I am on a campaign. Abolish 226. We don't get justice. File a suit in the civil suit. We'll get justice because such kind of orders are never passed. My contentions are no record. At least you may decide. The High Court may decide against me, but my contention has to be recorded. I said the notice was never served on me. I came to the office was taken possession. Notice is addressed to the office which they are in their possession only. It is not with me. And it is impossible for anybody, it is impossible for me to check every newspapers. I'm a small entrepreneur. I've been providing employment to so many people. My lord, then your lordship may do one favor to me.
What do you want?
And my lord, allow me to withdraw the writ petition itself. I'll file a suit. I'll prosecute it there. Because I will not get justice from 226.
You should go.
Now I am on a campaign. I am selling the tickets. Never go to the High Court. Never go to the 226. You will never get justice.
Shall we record that you seek to withdraw the writ petition and go to the civil court? Shall we record?
Yes. Jurisdiction, my lord. I'm so sorry to say.
Doesn't matter.
Yes.
Doesn't matter.
My lord, but that is what problem.
Mr.
Yes.
We don't want to push you. You were thought to it. You go to the High Court. You have.
No, I have no faith.
You have.
I have no faith. Allow me to withdraw the petition. Let me.
Dismissed as withdrawn. Thank you.
No, my lord, your lordships may permit me to.
To avail such remedies as may be permissible in law.
Yes, fine.
Go ahead.
Your lordship may say without anything on the merits.
Nothing. We have not said
Your lordship may make it clear.
We have not expressed anything on the merits of the matter.
Yes, absolutely fine.
First of all, Miller, I apologize that I've troubled your lordships on a Saturday, Miller, but there are 4 issues that I wish to raise. Muller's issue number 1 is that this circular is issued to the DEOs, Mullahs, on the 13th of April. And we get to know about it only on the 29th. Mullahs, these things don't happen, Mullahs. On the contrary, Mullahs, advance notice is given. There are meetings with the DEOs every 2 days. They don't tell us anything about it. That's point number 1. Point number 2, Mullahs, they say they have an apprehension. That means they have an apprehension that in every booth in West Bengal, there is going to be trouble. Mullahs, where do they get that apprehension from? I mean, this is shocking, Mullahs. Where did they get that apprehension from? Mullahs, they already have, that's the 3rd issue. They already have a central government nominee. Micro observer, Mullahs, they already have. Now they want another central government nominee. For what purpose? And Mullahs, number 4, which is even more important, the circular itself says that you should have a state government nominee also. right? They don't appoint a state government nominee. Mullahs, I mean, the 324 is not a wild horse, Mullahs, that you can do what you like at any time you like, whenever you like, how you like.
It's not like that, Mr. The, that it's perhaps, anyway, we don't want to stop
No,
you
but-
because you haven't even opened your case of it.
No, that's what these are the
Go
4
ahead.
points I wish to press your lordships on. Mullahs. Kindly, first of all, let's go into the Mullahs, the page 71, the circular itself.
At least one among the,
Yes.
number one.
That's issued by the Office of the Chief Electoral Officer at page 71. I'm reading, you allow me?
Yeah,
In
don't
view
don't
of-
disturb him.
In view of the apprehensions expressed from various quarters regarding possible irregularities during the process of counting of votes, and with a view to ensuring transparency, integrity, and orderly conduct of counting proceedings, the following protocol and arrangements are proposed for strict compliance to all counting centers. Let's just analyze this for a moment. Whereas they want a central government, another nominee, because they fear there's a possible irregularities. That's pointing a finger at the state government.
It's not all these persons, the nominees, be it of the central or the state, in discharge of the duties for counting,
Come under the,
are under the control of the election commission.
We have no
So
problems with
if
that.
the
Mullah.
election commission has total control, it hardly matters whether he's a central government or a state.
But there is already a central government nominee, and where is the apprehension from, Mullah, from each booth? There must be some data, Mullah, some.
You are absolutely right, but that's a subjective satisfaction.
No, correct, but
We
Mullah,
are-
they have not disclosed it. Why did they not tell us, Mullah, that they're going to have a central government nominee from April 13th to 29th of April?
It was already a notification, a circular issued. And so far as you are concerned, there is no question of conferring with the political party.
No, they tell us, Mullah, they meet
Correct,
us.
correct.
They should tell us that there is.
Correct. Your counting agents will be there.
I'm sorry?
Your counting agents will be there.
Correct, their counting agents are also
Counting
there.
agents of all contesting candidates.
Correct,
will
are
be
there, and the election agents.
That's, you're correct.
Yes.
The election agent, the counting agent.
Yes, they're all there.
And then on every table, 3 persons.
That's correct.
A counting supervisor,
Yes,
a counting assistant,
correct,
a micro observer.
correct,
Micro observer, as per rule, will be a central government employee.
correct.
So far as the counting supervisor, counting assistant, may be of the central government, may be of the state government, the categories are different. Class B officers for counting supervisors,
Correct, correct.
class C for counting agent. Now,
Absolutely.
when that
One amongst
that option is open,
Yes,
we can't hold that the election commission issuing this notification acts contrary to the regulations by saying at least one of them will be a central government employee,
yes.
because they can even say both of them can be central.
No,
government.
Mullah, sir, kindly see the circular itself, it doesn't say so.
Sir, what we are saying,
Yeah,
let us reread the circular and examine a circular saying both the counting supervisor and counting agent will be central government employees. Still then, we could not have faulted them because clause 15.7.1 says this pool of counting supervisor and counting agents will be from class B or class C.
yes,
That is the distinction
correct,
of either the state government or the central government.
correct.
So to choose only from one pool cannot be said to be incorrect.
Mullah, I'm not saying, Mullah,
It's
please.
within jurisdiction. We are
Please-
testing within
Yeah,
jurisdiction.
you
Mr.
can't
Super.
pick him from just one pool, Mullah. Kindly
Why
now,
not?
kindly see
Why
the
not?
page 72,
where
Mullah,
is-
their own circular.
here is the,
Just see page 72.
To us.
It's their own circular, part of the handbook as
Right.
well.
Right.
Further, a dedicated, your lordship has that?
where are, yes. 72
Dedicated
bottom.
module is being incorporated in ECI Net for randomization of counting personnel and generating of counting RD cards. The salient features of the proposed module are as follows. Random selection of state government and central government employees.
Right.
from the respective personnel databases for counting duty.
Why? Why? Because one is to be read with one at page 71.
Yes.
Where they say
One amongst them.
out of two,
Yeah.
counting supervisor, counting assistant, one will be a central government.
That's right, and one will be state government.
Correct.
Now, but have the state government, there is no state government.
Where is the?
Never, that's the only
proportionate
problem. I have no
division? From
problems with
where are
that.
you, Mr.
Perhaps
Sir,
Millet's my
from
learned
where are
friend
we
may not have
bringing
been-
out this concept of proportionate representation from out of what?
But this is their own
as
circular.
if,
Millet.
as if there is yet another fallacy in this, that those belong to the state government have a different intelligence, those belong to, these are employees of the government.
But
Please
Millet,
give us-
I am not
give them
disputing.
some credit.
But
to the
I'm not
employees.
disputing any of this
These
for a
employees
moment.
are
Millet.
deployed by the
Please don't
Election
misunderstand me. I am saying follow the circular and the directions that you have issued.
So if that is so, why are you in court?
Because they have not appointed a state government nominee. That's what, and then they say you are requested to ensure strict compliance with the above instructions.
We leave it to the election commission and the additional chief electoral.
So therefore, Millet,
officer
this circular
to
themselves has to be
follow the
followed.
circular.
That's all we want, Millet. We don't want anything more than that.
You
The circular,
challenge the circular, sir.
Millet, have I made that? I have not made that submission to your lordship.
Challenging the circular.
Millet, at the
Now
moment,
you're coming up and saying that you implement the circular.
Millet, no, I am not challenged. At the moment, I'm not
You are not
challenging.
challenging.
At the moment, I'm.
Mr. Naidu,
what-
just
what-
follow the circular.
Let's follow the
Ensure that
circular.
you follow the
Let's-
circular.
Yes,
May I
employ the
submit
state
minutes?
government. I have no problems with that.
I do submit
Yes,
Millet.
yes, your lordship may say.
Millet, may I just add one sentence, Millet?
Yes, Mr. Naidu.
Millets, we have been following the circular to a perfection. My friend may not have been properly informed about what's been going on there. The returning officer has the overarching power and he is from the state government cadre. If at all they wanted to apply the labels. And Millets, everything happens under his supervision. He picks up by way of randomization both the counting supervisor and also the counting assistant. And we have alternated in such a way, if first one is from the central government, the other is from the state government and vice versa. Thereafter, each candidate will have his own agents. If there are 10 tables, there are 10 agents. They would be just watching the proceedings at the
Well,
end of
just
the
one
day,
minute, 1
they have
minute.
to sign the proceedings. It's
One
a
second.
completely misplaced
All right,
apprehension.
ensure
with
that
no
whatever
basis.
is there, in fact, these are.
We do follow that, Millets.
Mr. Naidu, Mr. Sibbal wants a strict compliance of the challenged circular.
Millets, my lords may take
Have the
from
state
me.
government employee also there,
my
no
lords-
issues.
It's not-
My lords may take from me.
It
We
is,
have
this is
been
their
following
circular.
it.
Millet.
We have been following it
And
to
Millet, the
It
CCTV
is
footage,
not-
that's the other thing.
Millets,
There
it
is
is not their grievance
The
that
CCTV
we are
footage
not
must
following
be
the
kept
circular.
throughout.
One,
It shall
Mr.
be
Naidu,
for the
1
High
minute.
Court. Yes, ma'am.
The CCTV footage must be kept, Millet.
Of course.
No, Millet. They destroy it after a while, Millet. This is the problem.
Again, wrong, Millets.
Have you heard him? Have you heard him
Millets,
about this submission?
they have said, let it be 10
How
days.
dare anyone- Nobody can even destroy it like that.
Absolutely.
Yes, they
And
do,
we
Millet.
keep
They
it
don't.
until
They
the
destroy it, Millet.
petition
After
period is
45
over.
days, they don't keep it.
45 days we preserve. If
This is
election
the problem.
petition is filed, we preserve it until the disposal.
Because the limitation.
I know. But why not after 45 days, Millet? There are many things that
Yes,
come to light.
if an election petition is filed, it's
Your lordship
preserved.
can't say that.
Thank you,
Millet,
Mr.
Millet,
Grateful,
one
Millets,
second.
deeply obliged.
One second. Kindly just pass
And
on
an
this.
apprehension.
This is a circular of the commission, Millet, of 2023. See what the randomization is.
Second last.
Well, let's kindly come to the second last page, Romans 7. Your Lordship, that's the ECI's own circular.
Yes.
Randomization of the counting staff is to be done in the manner mentioned below. A list of 120% of the required number of officials required for counting in the district should be generated, including reserved randomly, using the randomization software by the district election officer 1 week prior to the date of counting. Not done. This is the first of the 3-stage randomization process. Presence of observers is not required at this stage. This is only to identify and select the officials that will be given duty for counting or as counting supervisors, counting assistants, micro observers in whichever constituency of that district. In no case at this stage, the identity of the assembly constituency to which the counting personnel are likely to be deployed will be known. The assembly constituency wise randomization shall be done by the district election officers in the presence of observers 24 hours prior to the commencement of counting. Therefore, the returning officer shall issue the appointment letters to these officials, assigning them concerned allotted ACs. A randomization for allotment of tables in the counting hall to these counting supervisors shall be done by the concerned RO. That's no problem. So, this has to be circulated 1 week in advance. Nothing to us. So, this itself is not followed.
Something.
This circulation is not to
maintain the
you.
integrity of those officers who are to be appointed.
That's right.
And
Presence of
also-
observers in the kind should be generated randomly using
No, Mr.
random
Siva,
by this
that is
1
what-
week prior to the date of counting.
All right.
1 week prior to the. So all we want is, Madas, now a in terms of the circular, the state government nominee should also be there. That's nothing more than that.
They have never said that there is no state government nomination.
We are saying, Madas, there is none, at least. At
Millets,
least one
we are
has to be,
saying-
Madas, one from central government, one from state government.
We are
So that there is
saying
no
that is the
apprehension of
norm
any
we have
kind.
followed. That is the norm we have followed, even before they could point it out.
Commissioner.
That's all.
Also, Mr. Damas Seshadri Naidu, Leonard Schemes Council, Mr. Siddal, Mr. Meenakshi Arora for the petitioners, and Mr. Seshadri Naidu for the election commission. We
And
dispose
Mr.
of.
Chaudhary, Mr. Chaudhary, your appeal.
I'm for the respond numbers 2 and 3.
For the, for the
The
election.
election.
Mr.
The
Chaudhary,
Chief
sorry,
Electoral Officer.
Chaudhary for the respondent number 2. Third one, so करके कर लेना. This, no further orders are necessary in the special petition, except to reiterate the statement of Mr. Seshadri Naidu that the circular dated 13th April 2027 will be implemented in letter and spirit. With this
Great.
clarification.
2026 will be implemented in its letter and spirit. That's all. Okay, thank you.
Grateful minutes. Deep
Nice
breath.
one.
Uploaded today.
Yeah, uploaded.
Before counting, they
Which battles should come to an end by Monday. Great.
Obliged.